Hey there, everybody. Happy Success Saturday. This is Mary Beth Angelelli here with American Bill Money. Wanted to come in here this afternoon and do another short video for you to continue to talk to you more about this amazing residual income opportunity that's been helping people since 2003 called American Bill Money. And as a direct provider of leads to the home-based business industry, American Bill Money provides an amazing tool to make it happen with their postcards. They have a great postcard marketing system that I've been using successfully since June of last year, 2017. Here we are, folks, a brand new year, January 2018, and on this wonderful winter afternoon here in Ohio, I'm getting ready to mail out more postcards. I actually have 50 right here, another 50 here, that makes 100, 50, and another 50. So in hand, I have 200 postcards going out, folks, right here. Really super simple. All you have to do is, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. That's what I continue to tell people. Apply a postcard stamp in the upper right-hand corner, a pill and stick label right here, and just simply deliver these to your post office or drop these in any blue USPS mailbox, folks. That's how simple this is. These postcards work amazingly well. I've actually been mixing this up. I have about 30 here, postcards with cover letters, 200 here. So today I'll be mailing out 230 to be exact. The main thing is this works, folks. It's a simple process. The key to being successful is stickability, commitment, and consistency. If you can advertise or mail a postcard, folks, you can absolutely go on to build a wonderful home-based business and earn a great residual income for yourself and for your family. It's one of these businesses that just continues to get better and better over time. You can actually work this business online and offline, either or both. I've elected to do both to experience the best of both worlds because you're able to reach so many more people that way. There's so many people online, folks, that come to YouTube, that come to Facebook, that are looking for a simple solution just like this, and ABM is that solution, and it can be that solution for you too, folks. It's an awesome opportunity. They've been in business since 2003. They've been helping individuals and families as a direct provider of leads to the home-based business industry using these amazing postcards, which are their tool, and they have a great postcard marketing system in place that works, folks. So wanted to share that with you. I also have these beautiful cover letters. That's what's in the envelopes. These are beautiful. They're double-sided. They actually have my picture, my name, my ABM number, my phone number, and my wonderful ABM company website, which is ABM5990. And they come pre-folded when you order them. All you have to do is take a postcard and insert it right here. And then just take a plain white number 10 envelope just like this. Insert this into the envelope, seal it up, apply a stamp and a pill and stick label. And again, drop these in the mail, folks. That's how easy it is. Really, really super simple. Now, if you can do that, folks, stick with it, commit, and be consistent, then you can continue to receive commission checks every single week in your mailbox, just like I have been very fortunate and blessed to have been able to do since I got started in June of last year. They pay every week just like clockwork. Here's just a little bit more continued proof, folks. Got another commission check in the mail yesterday from American Bill Money, and there it is, folks, right there. This one is dated the 5th of January, 2018. Made payable to me, folks, and there is just more continued proof, folks, that this business is real and that it works, and I'm continuing to get paid every single week from American Bill Money. So share it with you that these postcards work if you put these to good use, folks, and continue to mail them out. You don't want to stop. You don't want to quit. You don't want to stop mailing. You can't really take any breaks in the action in order to get the best results possible. So, with that being said, you want to be able to stick to a schedule and mail out on a consistent weekly basis, whether that be once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. I do mail out frequently, folks. You just got to get in the routine and just incorporate it into your daily activities. You don't have to mail out every single day, but recently I have been mailing out every day. I've just been getting into the routine because I just want to keep this going, folks, and continue to build my American Bill Money business. So what I do is every night I get postcards ready to be mailed out. When I take my daughter to school, I just stop at the mailbox and drop these off on my way home and continue to put these out in the mail. So people will be receiving these. This is a great time of year, folks, to get started in a home-based business, especially one that's as simple as American Bill Money. It's a brand new year, folks. Tax season. People are going to be getting their tax refunds back, and this is a great way to invest in you, into your future, and into your success. Here's my company website, folks, ABM5990. It's really simple to get started. I encourage you and invite you to come here and check this all out. Go down here, review everything. There's the beautiful postcard. You can check it out for yourself. And scroll down here, review the compensation plan and the benefits. Check out the video right here. There is 3 wonderful audio messages, and when you're ready to get started, folks, it's really, really simple. All you have to do is come here, click on the order button, and join ABM here. Secure order form will pop up. It's already pre-filled with my info, my ABM number, which is 5990, and my name. And then you just scroll down, complete it with your information, click on the red order button at the very bottom, and your order will be sent off to be processed to ABM. And after that happens, folks, shortly thereafter, once you get into the system, your marketing package will be sent out to you, and then you can order your ABM postcards, and you'll get ready to be started, folks. It's really, really simple. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 330-787-1795. My name is Mary Beth Angelelli. I absolutely love this amazing opportunity, and here is one of my favorite pets, my cat, who sometimes helps me with some of my business tasks. But it's wonderful to be able to work from home, folks, and experience an opportunity like ABM where you can build a wonderful residual income for a long time to come, folks. They've been helping people since 2003. Everybody needs leads to be successful with your home-based business. They are truly the lifeblood of every single business out there. ABM, folks, is really a simple business. It's one that you can go on and continue to receive these commission checks just like this every single week by simply advertising or mailing these postcards. Now, I do work this opportunity both online and offline. I continue to do these videos. I will continue to do these videos because this affords me the opportunity to share American Bill Money with the masses, both online and offline. A lot of people will be receiving these postcards from me in their mailboxes, and I will continue to mail out, continue to post on Facebook, and share this business, folks, so that people who are looking for a simple solution can have the same opportunity that I've been able to have since I got started last year. And folks, this really is a wonderful business that will be able to help you and your family in many, many ways for a long time to come. So get with me, folks. Connect with me. You can review my personal funnel, abmpays.net, which will redirect you to my company website where you can go to get started. Simple here. Folks, click on the order button at ABM5990. You have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, text me, call me. I'll help you. I'll answer any questions, get you going, help you to get started, folks, so that you can build a wonderful residual income in 2018 for you and your family. Mary Beth Angelelli, talk to you soon. See you on the next video. Bye for now.